The Lasko 1500W ceramic tower space heater is a portable electric heater designed for indoor use, ideal for bedrooms, living rooms, and home offices. This model from Lasko features a sleek gray and black design and is recognized for its powerful heating performance combined with quiet operation. It offers widespread oscillation to distribute warm air evenly throughout the room. Equipped with a 1500-watt ceramic heating element, the heater includes two quiet heat settings and an adjustable digital thermostat with temperature display in Fahrenheit or Celsius. Users can control temperature, oscillation, and a programmable timer ranging from 1 to 8 hours via the included remote. Safety is prioritized with built-in overheat protection and a cool-touch exterior. The unit is fully assembled and ready to use with a 6-foot power cord. This heater provides efficient, customizable warmth for anyone seeking a reliable and easy-to-use solution for personal or small room heating. Its portability and quiet operation make it suitable for home or office environments. The Lasko 1500W ceramic tower heater combines convenience, safety, and comfort for everyday use.